welcome to the channel. Today I am taking you with me on my day. I have a couple of meetings, and then at the end of the day I have a sports day kind of day, and I am taking with me my AXEL ARIGATO. I'm not gonna lie, I first came across these last night, as in I was in Choice looking for trainers and I came across these and I fell in love, but I didn't know the brand, and then I did a quick search on YouTube, as we do, and found out great reviews. I thought, let me try them, and I thought this would be a good try, a good video for you lot. I'm gonna literally put them through it. I'm taking them out on a sports day, and I know they're not probably really for that, I don't know, but these are marathon. In their name the word marathon is in there, so I want to see how they are and share with you guys. So it's my first time coming across this brand, and I thought, let me share my thoughts. So far, all good. If you want to check out the unboxing on this channel, I believe unboxings deserve a separate, special place. I always do unboxings and then I do a review, so check that out. I've just finished doing the unboxing and trying it on, and now I'm going to take you with me in my day, and at the end of the day we'll talk about how they have been feeling on my feet, because you know most shoes you need to break into them, so I want to see what that feels and looks like, because right now they're so comfortable. They are so comfortable. I do not feel like I'll need to break into them, but yeah, let's see. And also I'm going to put them through it. We're going to be in the mud, we're going to be in the grass. Let's see how they look by the end of the day, so let's go. For those who care, here is how the fit looks today. I am wearing a Nike hoodie. The weather is becoming strange, slowly going into winter. Nike hoodie, Nike shorts, cycling shorts, and then the shoe. It looks really good. Let's go. Do it, please. Do it.
We're not ready!
Wait, you can do your shoelace as well. Oh, you got
Orange soda! Who loves orange soda? Only and Shivani love orange soda. Orange soda pops! Woo, woo!
It is break time. We're going to Tesco to find a drink. Oh, that's so cool. Oh. I'm vlogging, yes. We want a drink. Where are they normally? I'm looking for the Copa Verde.
Hi, this is Ohleen's vlog. Hello.
I love that. Normally people are like, don't get me in, don't get me in.
Like and subscribe.
Hey! Oh, so cute. We are back. This is 2 days after I went out. Literally, I'm recovering. My hamstrings, my legs, my toes, everything's hurting. I want to show you what the shoes look like after all of that. I mean, there is a fair amount. It's mostly just grass. Were they comfortable? They were comfortable, but I think because I went out in the morning and came back around 9 p.m. that was a long day, and for me, my feet will hurt regardless. I'm showing you all of this because I want to clean them, and I want to see how they clean, see if that's an easy thing and where do they go back to. Do I love them? I do. I think they're really good looking. I am going to jump over there. There's a bucket with soap and a sponge, and we're going to scrub it up. Let's see how it looks. up so easily. What we're gonna have to do is bleach this. I'm scared to try bleaching it right now. I'm gonna wear it a couple more times before I resort to bleaching, but basically this rubber doesn't clean off easily at all. I mean, it's not like terrible, it's not bad. I can definitely wear these again and they don't look dirty, they look used. I think I'm gonna try, when the marks get a bit more, I'll spot clean with bleach where there is like scratches and stuff, little marks. But yeah, there ain't no amount of scrubbing that's gonna remove this, definitely. But I think that's all for this video. Let me know in the comment section if you have any particular questions. Do I love the shoe? Yeah. I was gonna say, am I keeping it? Yes, I have to, I have no choice. I do want to get there's like a loafer style or like just little trainer, I forgot what they're called, but they're just plain white and flat. They are not this marathon thick heavy shoe. I really like it. It's got embroidery on it. It's so cute. I'm gonna look into that. If you have them, comment below, what are they like? Are they comfortable? This shoe is gonna be an occasional shoe, not an everyday shoe, walking to work kind of shoe. It took me a while to get used to them. I was tagging on the side each time I took a step. I was tagging on the plastic on this, like I would kick it with the other foot. But eventually I got used to it. I got used to walking in them. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.